Okay, so this is my daily 696 and I kind of forgot to clean it out and shake the debris and the dust out of the bin. I wasn't doing this like, I don't know, 3 weeks now. Let's see what's inside. Roomba looks actually pretty good. It's okay, I just removed the sidebrush module because it broke again. But I don't really mind it. Now let's see the... Oh! Okay, this is very full. Okay, I have never seen this before. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh man. Oh my god. Look at all this. Who said Roombas have small bin? It's pretty big, or... Well, Roomba can fit a lot of dust inside of this thing. Well, okay. I wasn't expecting this.